Are you ready to get a glimpse of the future of off-road adventure? Because Toyota has just unveiled the all-new 2025 4Runner. And let me tell you, this bad boy is about to redefine the SUV game. With its rugged good looks, impressive performance, and cutting-edge technology, the 2025 4Runner is poised to be the ultimate adventure companion. But what exactly sets this new model apart from its predecessors? Well, you're in luck, because this video is going to reveal all you need to know. So, what are you waiting for? Let's dive in and discover the secrets of the 2025 Toyota 4Runner. Toyota Motors has revealed a new 4Runner SUV for the first time in nearly 15 years, completing a redesign of the automaker's current trucks and SUVs. Aside from its new looks, which are similar to the recently redesigned Toyota Tacoma pickup, the 2025 4Runner will be offered with a hybrid engine for the first time, as well as new Platinum and Trailhunter high-end trims. This all-new 4Runner has incredible versatility and capability that rounds out our truck family, said Dave Christ, Toyota Group Vice President and General Manager. We've sold over 3 million 4Runners over the past 40 years, and this sixth-generation model offers a cool new look and incredible features, yet retains the rugged style and capability our customers love about this adventure icon. The 2025 Toyota 4Runner is part of the automaker's truck family, also known as the Five Brothers, the Tacoma and Tundra pickup trucks, and the 4Runner, Land Cruiser, and Sequoia SUVs. The 4Runner is the last to be redesigned and built on Toyota's global truck platform, which debuted with the Land Cruiser and Tundra in 2021. Under the hood, the 2025 4Runner is packing some serious firepower. The base model comes equipped with a potent 3.5-liter V6 engine that churns out an impressive 278 horsepower and 265 pound-foot of torque, ensuring that you'll have more than enough power to conquer even the most challenging terrain. This tried-and-true powertrain has been a staple in Toyota's lineup for years, known for its reliability, responsiveness, and off-road prowess. But for those who really want to take their off-road adventures to the next level, Toyota is offering a hybrid variant of the 4Runner that pairs this V6 engine with a 48-horsepower electric motor. The result is a combined output of 340 horsepower and an astonishing 370 pound-foot of torque, giving you an unparalleled blend of power and efficiency. The hybrid 4Runner's advanced powertrain not only delivers thrilling performance, but also impressive fuel efficiency, with an EPA estimated rating of 24 miles per gallon in the city and 29 miles per gallon on the highway. This means you can venture deeper into the wilderness without worrying about frequent fuel stops, making your off-road excursions more economical and enjoyable than ever before. Speaking of off-road prowess, the 2025 4Runner is built to conquer even the most challenging environments. The available TRD Pro package adds a host of upgrades that are designed to take your off-road experience to the next level. This includes a lifted suspension with Fox shock absorbers, which provide a smooth and composed ride even on the roughest terrain. The package also adds knobby 33-inch all-terrain tires, which offer exceptional grip and traction on a variety of surfaces. But the TRD Pro package doesn't stop there. It also includes a locking rear differential, which ensures that both rear wheels receive equal power, even in the most challenging off-road situations. This, combined with the 4Runner's advanced 4x4 system and the option of a 2-speed transfer case, gives you the confidence to tackle even the toughest trails with ease. To further enhance the 4Runner's off-road capabilities, Toyota has equipped the SUV with a host of additional features, such as crawl control and multi-terrain select. Crawl Control is a low-speed, off-road cruise control system that automatically adjusts the throttle and brakes to maintain a steady, controlled pace, while the Multi-Terrain Select allows you to fine-tune the 4Runner's performance to match the specific challenges of the trail ahead. Underpinning all of this off-road prowess is the 4Runner's robust body-on-frame construction. The high-strength steel frame has been engineered to provide exceptional rigidity and durability, ensuring that the SUV can handle even the most extreme environments with confidence and composure. This, combined with the advanced suspension components and intelligent 4x4 system, makes the 2024 4Runner a true off-road champion. The 2025 4Runner isn't just about brute force. It's also packed with the latest in-car technology. The base model comes equipped with an impressive 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system, which serves as the command center for the vehicle's connectivity and entertainment features. The state-of-the-art system provides seamless integration with your smartphone, thanks to the inclusion of both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. With a simple voice command or touch of the screen, you can access your favorite apps, make hands-free calls, send messages, and even stream your preferred music and podcasts through the premium audio system. Speaking of the audio system, the base 4Runner comes equipped with a high-quality setup that is sure to satisfy even the most discerning audiophiles. The crisp, clear sound quality is further enhanced by the SUV's well-insulated cabin, creating an immersive listening experience no matter where your adventures take you. But if you really want to take your in-car experience to the next level, you can opt for the available 12.3-inch touchscreen display. This expansive, high-resolution screen offers a host of advanced features that will elevate your daily commute and off-road explorations alike. Chief among these features is the built-in navigation system, which provides turn-by-turn directions with real-time traffic updates, ensuring you will always have the most efficient route to your destination. The system can even suggest alternative routes to help you avoid unexpected delays or obstacles, making it an invaluable companion for both city driving and remote trail exploration. The 12.3-inch touchscreen also comes paired with a premium JBL audio system, which delivers a truly concert hall quality sound experience. With 14 strategically placed speakers and a powerful subwoofer, you'll be surrounded by rich, dynamic audio that will make every trip feel like a private concert. But the technological innovations don't stop there. The top-of-the-line 4Runner also features a wireless charging pad, allowing you to keep your smartphone's battery topped up without the hassle of cords. Simply place your compatible device on the pad, and it will begin charging automatically, keeping you connected and powered up no matter where your adventures take you. The interior of the 2025 4Runner has also been given a significant upgrade. The base model comes equipped with comfortable cloth seats, but you can upgrade to premium leather-wrapped seating surfaces for a more luxurious feel. For those who want to haul more than just their passengers, the 4Runner offers a spacious cargo area that can accommodate up to 89.7 cubic feet of gear with the rear seats folded down. Now, let's talk about pricing. The 2025 Toyota 4Runner is set to hit the market with a starting MSRP of $37,500 for the base model. The TRD Pro package, which includes all the off-road goodies, will set you back an additional $5,000, while the hybrid variant will start at $42,000. And for those who want the ultimate in luxury and technology, the top-of-the-line limited trim with the 12.3-inch touchscreen display will set you back $46,500. But the real question is, how does the 2025 4Runner stack up against the competition? Well, let's take a look at some of the key specs and features. Compared to the Ford Bronco, the 2025 4Runner offers more cargo space, 89.7 cubic feet versus 77.6 cubic feet, a higher towing capacity, 5,000 pounds versus 3,500 pounds, and a more powerful hybrid powertrain option. However, the Bronco does offer slightly better off-road capabilities, thanks to its independent front suspension and more advanced 4x4 system. The Jeep Wrangler, on the other hand, may have a more iconic design, but the 2025 4Runner offers a more comfortable and refined on-road driving experience, as well as a more spacious and tech-savvy interior. And when it comes to the Nissan Pathfinder, the 2025 4Runner trumps it in terms of off-road prowess, with its body-on-frame construction, locking rear differential, and TRD Pro package. The 4Runner also offers more standard safety features and a more powerful engine option. So, what do you think? Are you ready to get your hands on the 2025 Toyota 4Runner? With its uncompromising performance, cutting-edge technology, and undeniable style, this SUV is poised to be the ultimate adventure companion. Be sure to let us know what you think in the comments below. Also, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more exciting updates on the latest automotive news and reviews. You can only stay updated when you turn on the notification bell. Don't forget to do that. And until next time, happy trails! Thanks for watching. We'll see you soon.